विधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is Anumanam?
कारणम अनुमानम।
हाँ, that is Anumiti. Anumiti, Anumiti परामर्शजन्यम ज्ञानम। हाँ, परामर्शजन्यम ज्ञानम अनुमिति ही। अगर केवल इफ ओनली दिस मच इज सेड ज्ञानम अनुमिति ही, देन व्हाट वुड हैपन? हाँ स्वामी जी, कहाँ वेर देल भी अतिव्याप्ति इन प्रत्यक्ष उपमान इत्यादि उपमिति प्रत्यक्ष उपमिति शाब्द. So it is said paramarshajanyam jnanam. But if it is said only paramarshajanyam jnanam, then there would be ativyapti somewhere. Where? In paramarsha pratyaksha. That is given in the tika. Paramarsha pratyaksha varanaya hetu avishayakam iti api bodhyam. So if paramarshajanyam jnanam only this much is given, then there would be ativyapti in paramarsha pratyaksha. So paramarsha pratyaksha varanaya. Now what is pratyaksha? There is some more detail to this. Okay. Yesterday I explained in brief. I will try to explain a little bit more. Paramarsha pratyaksha varanaya hetu avishayakam iti api bodhyam. So the lakshana will become paramarsha janyatve sati hetu avishayakatve sati jnanam anumiti. Okay. Now this paramarsha pratyaksha. So first let us see paramarsha, then we will go to that part. And if only jnanam is said, if it is only said paramarsha janyam anumiti, then what would happen? If it is said paramarsha janyam and jnanam shabda is not given, paramarsha janyam anumitihi, then paramarsha dhvamsa, because dhvamsa is also paramarsha janya. Anu shabda is to be added so that it was there in the previous one, right?
Yes, Swamiji, before Nanu, before the Pratyakshado Ativyapti Varanaya Anu iti.
That was there in the previous one. That was in the first part. Pratyakshada Ativyapti Varanaya Anu. So that was for Anumiti Karanam Anumanam. If it was said only Miti Karanam Anumanam, then it would happen. Okay, now you see this one. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam Paramarshaha.
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Paramarshaha.
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam
Paramarshaha. So Paramarsha is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is Paramarsa. This is one thing we have to understand first. Okay. Now, in this, yesterday I mentioned Dandi Purusha. Dandi Purusha is Vishishta Jnana. Dandi Purusha Jnanam is Vishishta Jnanam. Danda is Visheshanam. Purusha is Vishesha. So, Danda Vishishta Purusha Jnanam. Like that, here it is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. So, Vyapti is what? Visheshanam. And Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is Visheshyam. In this way, Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is mentioned. Now, first understand, if there is Ghata Jnanam, in Ghata Jnanam, Ghata is Vishaya, Jnanam is Vishayi. Ghata is associated with Jnanam. By which sambandha? Ghata is associated with Jnanam by Vishayata sambandha. Ghata is associated with Vishayata sambandha. Jnanam is associated with Vishayita sambandha. This we should know. Vishayata sambandha, Vishayita sambandha. Ghata is associated with Jnanam, with Vishayata sambandha. And Jnanam is associated with Ghata, Vishayita sambandha. Because in Padakritya that is the first word now. Vishayita sambandhena. So, Vishayata sambandha, Vishayita. So when we say, sambandha is Sanyog sambandha, Samvaya sambandha, you say this Vishayata, Vishayita sambandha you never mentioned. So far in the Moolam it has never come. And suddenly you are using it in Padakritya and all. So some of these things are clarified later in other granthas. But Tikakar, they will write it, So, Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnana. Okay. This is Paramarsha. Further in Moolam. Yatha Vanni Vyapya Bhumavanayam Parvata Iti Jnanam Paramarsha. Yatha Vanni Vyapya Bhumavanayam Parvata Iti Jnanam Paramarsha. Tajjanyam Parvato Vannimaniti Jnanamanumitihi. So what is the nature of Paramarsha they have given? Yatha Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha Iti Jnanam. This Jnanam is called Paramarsha. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Ayam Parvataha, this Parvata is Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan. Two things you have to note. One, you have to know Vyapti. What is the Lakshana for Paramarsha? Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is Paramarsha. Okay. In Paksha, all these things they will explain. What is Paksha? what is paksha dharmata, but I am just mentioning now. In paksha, I have to see that which is vyapya. In vyapti, there are two things, vyapya and vyapaka. In vyapti, there are two things, vyapya and vyapaka. In paksha, I have to see vyapya also. So I have to have the knowledge of vyapti. I also have to have knowledge of vyapya in paksha. General knowledge of vyapya is not enough. In paksha, where you have to do sadhya, siddhi, in that paksha you have to see vyapya vastu. So that jnanam is required. That is called paksha dharmata jnana. Vani is to be sadhya in paksha, in parvata. But I should see dhuma there. So that is why you now see in the mula. Yatha vani vyapya dhumavan ayam parvato dhumavan. This and dhuma darshanam, both of them are. But what is the nature of dhuma? What is the nature of dhuma? It is vani vyapya. वन्नी के साथ वन्नी व्याप्य धूमवान, धूम व्याप्ति is there. This person also should have the knowledge of that vyapti. Anybody who sees dhuma will not see Parvato Vanniman. Why? He does not have the vyapti jnanam. That where dhuma, there is vanni, yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra vanni. That jnanam if you don't have, or that jnanam is there, but that jnanam you don't recollect at that time, you will not be able to do anumana. So you have to have the knowledge of vyapti recollected and vyapya in paksha. This is called paramarsha. Together this jnana is called paramarsha. So if only one is there, let's say paksha dharmata jnanam is there, vyapti vishishta if it is not, then it will not happen. Vyapti you know, but you are not able to see dhuma somehow. You will not know. Now you see, this is drishtanta. Okay, I will tell you more. Tajjanyam parvato vanniman iti jnanam anumiti. Tajjanyam tatpadena paramarsha. Paramarsha. Paramarsha janyam jnanam anumitihi. So the nature of anumiti will be what? Parvato vanniman. So this is where it was said yesterday we saw. This is without hetu. Parvato vanniman doesn't have hetu. It is ahetu vishayakam. Therefore anumiti is always ahetu vishayaka. In anumana jnanam, which is in the anumiti, parvato vanniman, there is no hetu. Hetu will be there in paramarsha. Okay. So now, using Vedanta, let us say, yatra yatra drishyatvam tatra tatra mithyatvam. This is the vyapti. Everybody sees drishya vastu all day. If this vyapti I don't remember, vyapti vishishta paksha dharma, any jagat, drishyatva, paksha dharmata jnanam is. But if I don't remember Vyapti, that if it is Drishya, it is Mithya. Why I should spend any time, any effort in this? This Vyapti Vishishta part is not there. Only Paksha Dharmata Jnanam we get. This is Drishya, Ghata is Drishya, Pata is Drishya, Sharir is Drishya, everything is Drishya. But Drishyatvat Mithya, this part is not recollected. That's why Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam, that Paramarsha. Then Paramarsha Janya Jnanam. So Paramarsha is there, Vyapti Vishishta. So how we have to understand? Mithyatva, Vyapya, Drishyatva, Vishishta, Vyavaharika Prapancha. Mithyatva, Vyapya, Drishyatva, Vishishta, Vyavaharik Prapancha. In Vyavaharik Prapancha, Drishyatva is there. Drishyatva is Vyapya of Mithyatva. Because yatra yatra Drishyatvam, tatra tatra Mithyatvam. This is my Vyapti from Swapna Prapancha, from Rajju Sarpa. So when this is there, then when I see Jagat with this wisdom, immediately I will know this is Mithya. Otherwise, I will do this Anumanam in Tarka Sangraha class. Nice notes I will write. Pratignya, Hetu, this, that, everything. And when I see this Jagat, Mithyatva Buddhi doesn't. Bheda between Brahma Vidam Varishtha and others. Jnani is such that Vyapti Vishishta Jnanam will come every time. How every time if you see Dhuma, you can do Anumanam, there is one knee. Every time I see Drishya, should come. If this much I can understand, then I have understood Jagat Mithyatva. So, this Anumanam, see, immediately we understand the depth of this when we apply in Darshtanta. That Jagat Mithyatva means what? And ek Drishtanta is Tajjanyam Parvato Vanyaman iti Jnanam Anumitihi. Read.
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट इति गीता संबंधेन व्याप्ति विशिष्टं पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानं पक्षधर्मता.
Now you see, Vishaya Vyapti Vishishtam Pakshadharma. Vishayita. So Vishayita Vyapti Vishishta. Vyapti will have Vishayita. Vyapti is a Jnanam. And Paksha Dharmata is also another Jnanam. Vishayita Sambandhena Vyapti Vishishtam Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. Paksha Dharmata Jnanam also has Vyapti Visheshana with Vishayita Sambandha. In Ghata Jnanam, what is Visheshana? Ghata. Ghata is Visheshana. Jnanam. Ghata Jnanam means Ghatasya Jnanam, natu Patasya. So Ghata is Visheshana. Here in Paksha Dharmata Jnanam, Vyapti is Visheshana. And Vyapti with Vishayita Sambandha. Means Vyapti itself is a Jnanam. Because Vyapti Jnanam you are going to recollect. Paksha Dharmata Jnanam you are going to see. Dharma asti. Parvate dhumo asti. This you are going to see. and vyapti is what we are going to recollect. पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम परामर्श इत्यर्थः. Read further. घटादि ज्ञान वारणाय पक्षधर्मता. ज्ञान पराम. ज्ञानम could mean घटादि ज्ञानम. पक्षधर्मता is given. व्याप्ति विशेषण. Let's say I see घट and I recollect धूमवन्नी व्याप्ति. It is possible. You can see something and you can remember something else also. Like in class sometimes, something is written there. You remember something else. मैं बताया है, आप कुछ और सोच के कहीं और, it happens. तो घट दर्शन is there, धूमवन्नी व्याप्ति. So it will be व्याप्ति विशिष्ट घट ज्ञानम. That is not called paramarsa. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट बट पक्षे धर्मता ज्ञानम, मतलब पक्षे व्याप्य धर्म हैज व्याप्य इन इट. दैट ज्ञानम इज रिक्वायर्ड. दैट्स व्हाई पक्ष धर्मता विशेषण इज एडेड. It will come. The whole thing, what is paksha dharmata, he will explain.
धूमवान पर्वतः इत्यादि वारणाय.
धूम वारणाय. धूमवान पर्वत परामर्शः. So Parvata, it is jnanam, but that should not be understood as paramarsha. That's why Dhumavan Parvat ityadi jnana varanaya vyapti vishishta. So actual paramarsha shabda in Hindi when you use, paramarsha means there is some recollection. Something you have recollected, and something is also pratyaksha. Both are there. So here also some vyapti jnanam is there, some pratyaksha jnanam, but not like pratyabhijnana, not like soyam devadatta. That is different. Something you are seeing, something you are recollecting, they are associated. That is paramarsha. So Dhumavan Parvata ityadi jnanam, in there, if that is understood as paramarsha, Dhumavan Parvataha ativyapti will be there, tad varanaya, because that is not real paramarsha. So if somebody understands, then that ativyapti, to eliminate vyapti vishishta, you also have to have jnanam of vyapti. Because Dhumavan Parvata, if only this much jnanam is there, this is pratyaksha jnanam only. Parvata is pratyaksha, dhuma is pratyaksha, indriyartha sannikarsha janya jnanam is there, over. You are not having any anumanam there. Further.
जन्यम इत्यर्थः.
परामर्श जन्य तज्जन्य परामर्श जन्यम पर्वतो वन्य. So this पर्वतो वन्यमा, this jnanam is outcome of paramarsha. Paramarsha becomes karana. Paramarsha requires two things, vyapti jnanam and paksha dharmata jnanam. So you see, व्याप्ति ज्ञानम ज्ञानम टुगेदर परामर्श. परामर्शजन्य ज्ञानम is अनुमिति. There is no need to write, it is already given. व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञानम परामर्शजन्यम अनुमिति.
This question is because is a hetu avishaya.
Huh?
Paramarsha is hetu avishaya. When that is the thing, then how is that it is vyapti jnana? Because vyapti definitely needs hetu. For a
No.
for a
हेतु अविषयकम, that is for what?
it is for anumiti
Anumiti.
definition. But this is can we put paramarsha as vyapara? Yesterday, according to the thing you said, it is like vyapara. So can a vyapara take place without?
No. Otherwise, we will go somewhere in tangent. Just focus on this much right now. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता together is paramarsa. Paramarshajanya jnanam is anumiti. So where paramarsa will help you? Paramarsa gives you dhuma vanni vyapti jnanam is there. Parvata has dhuma, this much jnana. Then you will, this is the paramarsha. Your anumiti is going to be what? Parvato vanniman. So you have dhuma vanni vyapti separate from mahanasa. You are seeing dhuma on parvata. So dhumavan ayam parvata, that jnana. Then you do some thinking. What is that? Parvato vanniman dhuma yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra vanni tatha cha ayam tasmat tatha. All of that will happen here. Then your conclusion will be tasmat parvato vanniman. So this is the result of all the other things. That's what you understand here right now. पर्वतो वन्यमान इति ज्ञानम अनुमिति. Somebody is asking. In Veda Parayana, they do like this. Then you have to know, you have to repeat twice. Yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra agni. Wherever there is dhuma, there is agni. This sahacharya niyama. Now what is sahacharya?
The same.
He will say what is sahacharya. Nyaya Bodhini has given. Indika Padakritya also it is there in brief. Sahacharya niyamo vyaptihi. Means sahachar is there. Where dhuma is here, vanni vyapti you do there, that is not allowed. Let's say and smoke is coming out. You say parvato vanniman. That where there is dhuma, there only you will have to do the vyapti. So this sahachara has different context. Okay, this moolam is only this much. Let me explain you something. Let's say somebody says, can you give some other example? Every time all you... Well, you can't give any other example or what? So what example you will give? क्या यत्र यत्र प्रमेयत्वम अभिधेयत्वम, वो तो इसी का है, सब तर्क संग्रह के नहीं. यू लुक इन द वर्ल्ड ऑल द टाइम, राइट? वी शुड गेट सम दृष्टांत फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड. वो तो बुक का तो वो तो 4 पंक्ति है, वो रट मार के वही का वही वहाँ पढ़ा है तो यहाँ बता दिया, यहाँ पढ़ा तो वहाँ बता दिया. वो क्या ज्ञानम है? Different examples you take. For example, let us say there is a child who is very disciplined. So you see, you can understand how does the child get discipline. So who gets the credit? Parents. So this is the vyapti. Parents must be disciplined. So parents discipline hai, that's why this child, because child doesn't know anything. Child is told do this, do that, like that. So seeing that you get the vyapti. This is the vyapti. केवल ये पुस्तक वाली नहीं होती. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स यू अंडरस्टैंड. यू लुक एट इंडियाज मैप. वेर एवर देर इज हार्वेस्ट, ग्रीन फील्ड, वाई देर इज ग्रीनरी? देर इज plenty of water, right? Rain or some river is there. So wherever this is available, there greenery is there. So yatra yatra jalam pushkalam jalam tatra tatra kshetradi. Kshetra means field, etc. अन्न उत्पत्ति.
गंध किसक जाएगा? कोई फ्लावर, पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर का स्मेल, पर्टिकुलर द स्मेल दैट मस्ट बी दैट फ्लावर होते जाएगा.
हाँ, you can do that vyapti. So सामान्य व्याप्ति, something which you can apply in general. So when you have this jnanam, based on that you will conclude something. Now sahachara means देशत्व और एक कालत्व. उसी रेन एंड ग्रीन फील्ड, they will not be in एक काल. Rain comes 3 months before, greenery comes later in time. So there एक कालत्व is not there. In धूमवन्नी you need एक कालत्व, एक देशत्व also. Right there where the dhuma is coming out, there only Vanni Anumanam will do. And that kala only. Not that dhuma came after 2-3 months, you say, oh, there is Vanni. That time only you will have to do Anuman. So Sahacharya Niyama is Sahacharati. They will go together. But go together means in Desha, Kala, it could be different ways. Vyapti could be different. यत्र यत्र in टीका.
यत्र यत्रेति धूमः
प्रकार is shown. Abhinay means to act out. So it is clearly mentioned sometimes they'll say dhumavani vyapti, but here it is spelled out as they say, yatra yatra. So this is called abhinaya. जहाँ है वहाँ वन्य है, so it is clearly indicated. व्याप्ते है अभिनय. हाँ, further read.
चरतीति सहचरस्तस्य
So it is a sahacharyam. Sahacharyam means what? Samanadhikaranyam. They are in the saman adhikarana, means desha. That desha from where dhuma is coming, in that desha only I am going to do vanni anumanam. This is called sahacharyam. Sahacharyam, this much you remember, samanadhikaranyam. Samanadhikaranyam, what is the definition? Vritti. Tat adhikarana vritti, samanadhikaranyam. Okay, read further. सहचरस्य भावः साहचर्यं, तस्य नियमः. Once you see dhuma is there and vanni is there and you say I have vyapti, it is not enough. This is where Vedanta and Nyaya are differing. In Nyaya they say niyamit rupena you have to see it again and again. Only you do conclusion. Vedanta says one. If there is some dosha, like if you say there is vyabhichara and all, then that means that vyapti is not correct. That hetu has hetu abhasa. But otherwise, you see the vyapti and you can conclude, as long as you have, but you have concluded it correctly, you are fine. Vedanta fearless that way. Also, you have to remember, Vedanta, Naiyayikas have paratah pramanya. In Vedanta, whatever is pramana. In Nyaya, it is not the case. Tasya niyamo vyaptihi. Acha, there is a lot more now. We will keep it up to here. पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.